Alright, so now we've got the perimeter saw cut and milled off the top. We'll put 2 inches on the top all the way around, mill. At the center where they did the utility, we'll remove the crusher run from the center there. And this will end up being a 6-inch patch in 2 lifts. In other words, your base will be at least 3 inches when we put it in, and then we put the cap on it. It'll be 2.5 to 3 inches. And then we'll pick these corners out with a pick, or mill them again, where you can see we didn't get close enough to the saw cut. Sorry about the wind out here if it's windy, but again, we'll clean all this up, put it in the dump truck. The center will be deeper than the outside because the outside is already existing. They put they had a sewer tap here. We're patching it. Where the crusher run is in the center, we'll take that out and it will be a 6-inch deep patch, and then we'll cap it with a 2.5 to 3 inches. And then where you see the saw cut around the perimeter, we'll tie that into the existing asphalt, and then we'll seal it off with a hot tar. Be a 2.5 strip of hot tar all the way around the perimeter here. This is Pennsylvania Avenue in Seaford, Delaware, and we just got her milled up. We got rain coming, so I don't know if we're paving it today. But thank you. Okay, so this is we're ready for paving in this area. 2 things we just got to do some sweep up, tack it up. We'll pave the center where the crusher run is. We'll bring it up to the flush to the edge over here where you see where we milled already, and then we'll roll and tamp that, and we'll back the paver up, and then we'll cover the whole thing, so it'll actually be done in 2 lifts. And then